Sister Mac? Sister Mac, you ready? Fancy you can't go and left me, you know. Because me I get myself together, you can't take time go on. Because me not go ready for now. So you can't go and left me. It's one thing I don't like, and it's fear call people when me ready for go to church, Because me whole I me not have the time to sit down and wait on people for go to church. So make Sister Max stay which part she there you hear? And me one come take me time scramble go down at church. Well, it's not like we're going to have a big service tonight. We have a very unfortunate situation at church. Our dear beloved Sister Hermin, her son has passed away. Ooh, I'm telling you. Well, you may see me with the umbrella, yeah, and I wonder say, how will me I go under umbrella, but had the rain a drew. Me should I find myself to go on my bed. Because when rain a fall, pan the house top, nothing sweet so. But me have to come go down at church because me want to hear everything. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. So me want to go down there myself to hear everything. Sister Ermin, let me tell you now. Let me whisper to you. Please me I beg you not care about my name. But Sister Ermin for the past 3 months, she asked for prayer and fasting. All up her yard, Pastor go. I hope till now, I can put on the umbrella here. Hope till now, Sister Ermin, not tell the church where they fi pray over. How we are trouble her. She only say fi pray for her children them. But let me tell you now, one story. When Sister Ermin come at church, Sister Ermin well dressed, all her hat me I tell you say big and broad. I don't know what Sister Ermin a work. So me no know where she get money buy them the big broad hat. Have 5 pickinny she have. And the last one is a boy. And me hear from good source in the community. And me even see the boy too. Boy never even have a 9 to 5, no work at all. And the boy come home with big BMW. But true enough in my business, me did just the one side I look. He would have drop her at church in a hit. And let me tell you, Sister Hermin used to walk on tick. And from Sister Hermin, I get drop come at church in a the BMW. I don't want so, Sister Hermin. I don't want so she a walk. No, she can't stand her heel. Eh? Nowadays when she come at church, I hop in at the front, she sit down. I cannot believe. But in all, at 40, to arena one, cause you know say when me attack, everything mix up in a one, like a cook season rice. But let me tell you, The boy around 26. In name Nicholas. Yes, Nicholas in name. Mhm. Yes, because they call him Nick. Yes. So me assume say I must Nicholas the name and then short it up and say Nick. That boy there, a good schooling go. Good school. And from the boy left school, all and all he do is dip on road. I go so. But true I know ferry business. You know you can't business is not people business. And let me tell you now, Sister Ermine, back in the day, every left Sister Ermine left and go a tongue in come back with belly. Yes. I never see Sister Hermin man yet and she not married. Me don't even know if all of the picnic them have the same pack and me never see no man over Sister Hermin yard. But the four girl Sister Hermin have and the last one boy. And out of all of them the five picnic and one picnic come out to something married and they are tongue. Yes. And with that one the name again. All me know say they call her Brighty. I don't know. Me don't know how went in full name because Sister Ermin is not my cup of tea. Only because and say she start come at church. Because you know me already, I know everybody me fancy for. But back to the story at hand. The boy losing life in a one very mysterious situation. In the police there and so me don't even want to talk too much about it. Because me name did it. I hear say at 20 shot the boy get. Man, 20? Eh? Stone. Alright on the spot. Eh? Oh God. And the same BMW, it look like water in a hit for the amount of hole where he in a hit. Bore up. When you see it. So Sister Ermine is not doing well. So we have to go down at church. But what I am saying, do you know? Cause for me brain mix up here, me never not get the thing them straight. But what I'm saying, after she asked for prayer for all 3 months, nobody in at the church. Eh? You want to tell me say the whole church fall asleep that nobody in at the church, the spirit never show them anything what go happen? Eh? No, sir. One time church I never saw. One time church, the spirit trying in at the church, cause the people them a live up. And you know, have to come at church, come out everything, because the spirit I show them. But Lord, the spirit gone sleep. Because the church has sleep now, you know. The church fall asleep because the church mix up in the worldly business too much. Too much it mix up in the world, the church. All the church are focused on now are the big offering and the big tithes. And the big broad hat and the this and the that, the clothes. But as you don't know me already, I'm a one suit every Sunday, every day in, day out. I one suit me way go to church. Because me now make no statement again. Me just want to know say me go and go serve me God. Me not worry about clothes and all of those things as long as me no frozen. Because it's one thing me know. Me ever smell good when me I go at church. Yes. So I don't know what is going to happen. Poor Sister Ermine. But when me I say, then if Sister Ermine, um, she knows say the boy now work no way. And him a come in with so much things. And when Sister Ermine come at church, as she step through church door, hey, hallelujah, hey, appear that, and a speak in tongues and all of these things. So all of that she a going with, she no see say her son not going the right way. Eh? I tell you, you have to be careful of them speaking in tongues, people there. Because it is sometimes it is only for a show. Because don't tell me, say the boy now walk and a come in with so much things. Not even a 9 to 5 he have. They even like a grown in no go far up nor nothing. And you see him a come in with all of that. Eh? And as a mother, plus you are go to church. And you no say nothing to the boy. You prefer take everything we have. Take we have. And come at church, come pop, show off, pan the head of church sister them. You will see her when she has step out of that a BMW there. Hey! You don't have to wonder if at the Queen Palace she has step out of. But let me tell you, I know for me eye she a strike because me know say Sister Ermine nah come from nowhere good. And me no want to no tell me say I show off or me bad mind or Sister Hermine. Me no bad mind Sister Hermine, but Sister Hermine nah come from nowhere. Eh? Yes. Nobody no grudge Sister Hermine for the life where she a live now. Because we all know say she never did a live no good life. So we're glad for she say little something a story for her. But in her story in a no good way. Because none of them no had no rich family. Eh? The whole family of them poor and poverty. And we see the boy coming with such a big vehicle and you know query it. I'm telling you, I am not here rejoicing over Sister Ermine downfall. Proverbs 29 and verse 17. He's saying, discipline your son and he will give you rest. He will give delight to your heart. Sister Ermine never do that. The Bible says we train up that child in the way he should go, that when he is old, he will not depart from it. But I guess it's because it's pure young people having children now, and them themselves not grow up properly. So it is very hard to grow up the children them in the right manner. But Sister Hermie is in her 60s. She should be doing better. But nevertheless, so remember to like your here, subscribe and share and return for the funeral service of Sister Ermine, son Nicholas.